Bamiyan Valley, echoes of stone and spirit. High in the heart of Afghanistan, where the Hindu Kush mountains rise like ancient sentinels, lies a valley carved by time, faith, and the hands of countless artisans. For over 1,000 years, the Bamiyan Valley was a crossroads of civilizations, where Indian, Hellenistic, Roman, and Sasanian influences merged into the luminous Gandharan school of Buddhist art. Here, two colossal Buddhas once stood. Pach and 3 meters tall guardians of a vast monastic world carved into the cliffs. Their serene faces watched over pilgrims along the Silk Road until March 2001, when their deliberate destruction sent shockwaves across the globe. Yet the valley's spirit endures. In the shadow of the empty niches, hundreds of caves still whisper their stories, painted sanctuaries, seated Buddhas, and fragments of a vanished tradition. Beyond the cliffs, the tributary valleys hold further treasures: the Kekrek caves with Sasanian-era paintings, the Fuled valleys decorated grottos, the fortress of Characterized, a Silk Road stronghold, and the fortifications of Kale Kafari and Shari Juhak, where Islamic dynasties left their mark. Recognized by UNESCO for its outstanding universal value, Bamiyan is a rare testament to cultural exchange, artistic mastery, and the enduring dialogue between faiths. Today, Afghanistan's Ministry of Information and Culture, with UNESCO's support, works to safeguard what remains, stabilizing the Buddha niches, conserving fragile murals, and preparing the valley for sustainable cultural tourism. Bamiyan is more than stone and memory. It is a testament to resilience, to the power of art to transcend time, and to the truth that even in loss, the human spirit stands tall.